Have you ever seen a fruit so beautiful it looks like it belongs in a fairy tale? This is dragon fruit, and trust me, it's more than just Instagram okay. I still can't believe it. After a month of nurturing, my rooftop dragon fruit has finally delivered its first harvest right here at home. Growing dragon fruit on a rooftop might sound wild, but this proves it's totally possible. No garden, no problem, just sunlight, care, and a little patience. This morning I picked the fruit myself, fresh, vibrant, and heavy with juice. And then the best part, I cut the fruit in this elegant shape. Check it out. Some people cube it, some scoop it out, but I went for this clean, fancy slice. It looks almost too pretty to eat. Tell me, how do you cut your dragon fruit? Got a favorite style? Drop in the comments. And the taste, unreal, sweet, refreshing with that tropical flair. All grown just a few feet above my living room. Today we are diving into 8 amazing health benefits of eating dragon fruit and why you might want to make it regular on your plate. 1. Packed with nutrients, low in calorie. Dragon fruit is rich in vitamin C, vitamin B, magnesium, calcium, and iron. But here is the best part. It's low in calorie. You are getting nutrient punch without the calorie guilt. 2. High in antioxidant. This tropical beauty is loaded with antioxidant which help to protect your cell and keep you feeling youthful and energized. 3. Great for digestion. One serving of dragon fruit packs a good amount of fiber which keeps your digestive system running smoothly and feeds the healthy bacteria in your guts. 4. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C and antioxidant in dragon fruit help strengthen your immune system, making it easier to fight off colds and infection. 5. Promote glowing skin. Want that natural glow? The vitamin C helps with collagen production, while antioxidants fight skin aging free radicals. Support heart health. Dragon fruit seeds contain healthy omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid, which are great for your heart, plus the fiber keeps bad cholesterol level in check. 7. Helps regulate blood sugar. Some studies shows dragon fruit may improve insulin resistance, especially in people at risk for diabetes. 8. Naturally hydrating. With its high water content, dragon fruit is a delicious way to stay hydrated, perfect for hot days and post-workout refreshment. So next time you see dragon fruit at a store, grab it. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Which benefits surprised you the most? Drop in the comment and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy tips. This is just the beginning. More homegrown surprise coming soon. Follow along. Thanks for watching.